Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the University of Punjab. Nestled in the heart of Lahore, the University of the Punjab stands as a beacon of academic excellence since its establishment in 1882. Beyond its academic achievements, the university has been a pioneer in providing comprehensive facilities to its students and staff, with its transport system being a testament to its commitment. The university's transport service began modestly with a fleet of 15 buses, aiming to facilitate students' commute from various parts of the city. Recognizing the growing needs of its expanding student body, the university progressively enhanced its fleet. Today, it boasts 55 buses, covering extensive routes within Lahore and stretching to its suburbs and beyond, ensuring accessibility for all. These buses are not just vehicles, they are lifelines connecting students to their educational aspirations. The routes are meticulously planned, catering to both urban and suburban areas, reflecting the university's dedication to inclusivity. Understanding the importance of comfort and cultural considerations, the university provides separate buses for male and female students, ensuring a respectful and accommodating environment for all. Behind this efficient system is a dedicated team comprising 47 drivers, 55 conductors, and over 200 support staff, including checkers, senior checkers, and technical personnel. Their unwavering commitment ensures the smooth operation of the transport service daily. Regular maintenance is pivotal. The university ensures that buses are equipped with high-quality engines and are well-maintained, running on petrol, diesel, or mobile fuels to guarantee safety and efficiency. The Vice-Chancellor emphasizes the importance of hiring drivers with excellent road sense, a fresh and alert mindset, and adherence to standard operating procedures. Student safety remains the highest priority. Security is paramount. Conductors diligently check bus passes to ensure that only authorized individuals access the transport services, maintaining a secure environment for students. The buses are spacious, airy, and maintained to high cleanliness standards, providing a comfortable journey for all passengers. To further facilitate students, a shuttle service operates between hostels and various departments, ensuring timely and convenient intra-campus transportation. The dedication of the transport staff is evident as they commence their duties as early as 5:30 a.m., ensuring that every bus is ready for the day's operations. A key strength behind the system's success is the Transport Committee. Every query, complaint, or suggestion from students or staff is directed to this committee, which takes timely and effective action. It is this structure that ensures the system evolves with the needs of its users. Many drivers, conductors, and supervisors have served in the transport wing for decades. Their experience and efficiency make the entire system dependable. Their sense of duty and discipline has earned the respect of the entire university community. Beyond daily commutes, the transport system supports co-curricular activities by providing buses for study tours and recreational trips, enriching the educational experience beyond the classroom. Staff welfare is never overlooked. Salaries are paid on time, and medical facilities are available for all transport wing employees, reinforcing the university's value for its workforce. The University of the Punjab's transport system stands as a model of efficiency, safety, and dedication. With minimal charges, 2,000 rupees for routes within Lahore and 3,500 rupees for routes outside, the university ensures affordable, quality transportation for its students. In the realm of university transport services across Pakistan, Punjab University sets the gold standard. Its commitment to service, security, and community shines through one route, one journey, one student at a time.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सहर है और मैं तरीके वाली बस से बैठती हूँ और वो मेरा पॉइंट है। अगर हम बात करें पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी की बस की किराए की, तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुनासिब है, क्योंकि अगर हम पैसे महीने का हिसाब लगाएं तो उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा हमें खर्चा पड़ जाता है। लेकिन उन्होंने हमें सहूलियत की और किराए काफ़ी कम किए, जिसकी वजह से हम आसानी से आ भी सकते हैं, जा भी सकते हैं और अपने हमारा पॉइंट जो है वो अपने टाइम पर ही आता है, जिसकी वजह से हमें टाइम में कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं।